Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make 15-minute shrimp scampi pasta. This one is always a favorite. You can make just the shrimp part for shrimp scampi, or you can serve it over pasta for a 15-minute meal the whole family will love. Start by seasoning a pot of water with salt and bring it to a boil for cooking your pasta. Bringing the pot of water to a boil and cooking your pasta is the longest part of this recipe, so get it started first. We're going to be using linguine today, but you could also use spaghetti or really any other shape of pasta. Next, you'll need to prep 1 pound of raw shrimp. Mine are shell on, so we'll need to remove the shell, which should come off pretty easily. They also need to be deveined if they haven't been already, so you'll want to slice into the top. That will expose the vein in the middle, and then you can just use the tip of your knife to pull it out. But not every shrimp will have a vein, so don't worry if it doesn't. You can leave the tails on, but since this is going into a pasta, we're going to make it easy to eat by gently slipping the tail right out of its shell. Often you can buy your shrimp from the grocery store raw, but already peeled and deveined, and that is a little bit of a time saver, but just in case yours aren't already, now you know just how easy it is to do it. Prep the rest of your ingredients and let's head on over to the stove. We're going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil along with it. Cook 1 pound of linguine pasta according to the package directions, and while that's cooking, we'll make our shrimp. Once that's melted, add in your prepared shrimp and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then we'll season this with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes to add a little spice. Then we'll get this cooking over medium-high heat, and shrimp cooks really fast. We're talking like 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as the shrimp turn pink, you'll pour in half a cup of white wine. Pour in a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and we'll let this simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. At this point, your pasta should be done, so we'll go ahead and drain that, and then we'll immediately add that in with our shrimp and turn off the heat. Then we'll toss this all together so that all of the pasta gets evenly coated with our white wine lemon butter sauce. Then we're done. All that's left to do is sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and we'll add a little pop of color by sprinkling on some freshly chopped parsley. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.